in place all the projects. He collects gratifications. Otherwise, why will he neglect other aspects of administration? Administration go in compatibility, in harmony with project development, with infrastructure development. Because the project you see, the people that drive it are human beings. If you come to the legal contracts they develop, it is the legal secretariat, all the lawyers are no longer, they are overwhelmed. They cannot do. It's just Wike himself single-handedly went to the National Assembly to submit project, 2025 budget. Not even a single director that followed him. But what we used to do, they will send circulars to the various divisions, departments, sections, and units, so that you will now articulate your own vital needs that will make up the entire component of the budget. But it just went there. Nobody knows. All the permanent secretaries, the directors, there is no overhead. They fear him like lion. Pardon? Yes, we pray that our demand should not even be met, so that we'll teach him a lesson. He will never enter here, he can't trust here. And he trusts us. Let me tell you something. The former minister, the governor of Ebonyi State, because he sees Ebonyi people, maybe he sees them as poor. He came from Ebonyi to resume work here, blocking all the staff that they came late at 8 o'clock. He doesn't know that they come from various satellite towns. When the chiefs were down, he ran away. The labor and staff blocked the gate for him. He had to apologize. Wike will apologize before he enter here. When the chiefs are down, we are waiting for him. So we are saying that President Tinubu, our amiable president, His Excellency, the Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, should please remove Tinubu, remove Wike. Wike is a criminal. My name is Dr. Nacho Kapo. I said it. He's a criminal. He's using his eyes to open them. We are standing up. We are ready to collect his bullets. We will die for him today. You understand? Tinubu should remove him. He has destroyed the FCT because he collects 20% overhead advance for projects. So why can't he do other? Go to the satellite towns. You see refuse dumps everywhere. Are there not projects? This is a city, a global city. They'll come and see refuse dumps everywhere because it's not his concern, because it's not giving him money. So that is relay this message to him. We have endured enough. Before we have escalation of crisis, God forbid it will not reach that level, but we are ready to die for him. Thank you very much. Pardon? My name is Dr. Nnachi Okafor, the former General Secretary, the SY General Secretary of the Joint Unions Action Committee, JUAC. Yes. Belonging is not personal property. Nobody meets him. He barricades himself. No single soul, even directors, permanent secretaries, mandate secretaries, nobody sees him. They fear him like God. Even we don't fear God the way we fear Wike. And we like that is the way he should be in River State. Please let us understand the fact that we are not against the construction of infrastructure, roads, and amenities in the FCT administration. They have to be underlined. We are strongly in support and strongly standing on our feet to support the development of the FCT. But administration and project was meet. Administration, it is human beings that make institutions. Wike has no respect. And it's true. He doesn't want to know whether staff come to work. And they stand here to tell you that Wike is confronting war because of the kickback he gets. He is now planning to go and integrate after immigration into H's so that we grab all the bags and gardens and distribute to his brothers and to his family. We will never stand it. The welfare of the over 27,000, 30,000 staff, it doesn't happen in regard for them. No overhead for the departments like the SDAs. Nothing. So, no training, no promotion, no welfare. The salaries are not paid, and when they are paid so late, it will spill over to the next month before we take our salary. How much is the salary? Peanut. Peanut. All the cleaners that clean all the offices, they are sacked them. If you go to the satellite towns, you will see mountains of refuse. Abuja satellite towns development agency cannot clean the streets.